Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by draining and flaking 2 cans of tuna so oil or brine won't water down flavor. This creates a firmer texture. Next, measure 1/2 cup mayo, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice into a bowl. These form the creamy, tangy base. Add 1/4 cup diced celery and 2 tablespoon diced onion for crunch and bite. Once combined, fold the tuna into the dressing gently. Avoid overmixing to keep it chunky and pleasant in mouthfeel. Once the initial mix is uniform, you build complexity by folding in optional accents like 1-2 tablespoon chopped pickles or capers for acidity and contrast. Make sure to fold, not whip, so the tuna stays in discernible chunks. Texture matters for a deli-style bite. Taste as you go. Adjust lemon to brighten, salt to season, and pepper for warmth. Small corrections avoid masking tuna. If you want herb freshness, stir in 1 tablespoon chopped parsley or dill at the end for aroma and balance. To finish, plate your tuna salad on sliced bread, croissants, crackers, or lettuce leaves. Presentation affects perceived taste, so pile it neatly. Chill 15-30 minutes to let flavors meld and the dressing relax into the tuna. This improves cohesion. Store in an airtight container up to 3 days. If the mix seems dry, add 1-2 tsp olive oil or a bit more mayo and stir. If it's too salty, counter with a squeeze of lemon or a small spoon of plain yogurt as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.